Well, hello, my algebra students. I was asked to do all the videos of one class, then do the other. I have finally finished my 11 videos with my honors, so now I'm going to start my algebra. Go ahead and do these two, write in scientific notation, then turn it back on, and I will do it. Now, did you really do it, or are you just saying you did it? So we move the decimal, let's see, 6 places to get a number between 1 and 10. So it'd be 3.7 times 10 to the negative 6. Now notice this number is getting bigger, so that means we have to have a negative power. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 movements of the decimal. So it'd be times 10 to the negative 5th, meaning the original number is smaller than this. Now do these 4 if you can, and then turn me back on. Oops. Okay, so I'd have 3 times 2 is 6. When you multiply two things same base, you add the powers, so it'd be times 10 to the 4th. Here I would have 24 times 10 to the 13th, 6 plus 7. But this number has to be between 1 and 10. So I'm going to divide this by 10, so then I have to multiply this by 10. So it'd be 10 to the 14th. When I'm dividing, 6 divided by 3 is 2. When you divide two things same base, you subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. When you divide two things same base, you subtract the powers. 10 minus a negative 4 would be 10 plus 4, which is 14. Now we're moving on to the laws of exponents. Here we go. So see if you remember how to do these, and when you're done, turn me back on, or done with as much as you can. Okay, so when you multiply the coefficients. 4 times 3 is 12. When you multiply two things same base, you add the powers. Good. So when I have a fraction, I'm raising power. You raise both to that power. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. When I have a base to a power, then I multiply to another power. I multiply the powers. When I have a product to a power, I raise both to that power. So this would be x to the 30, y to the 50. And then when I divide two things same base, you subtract the powers and keep it where the larger power was. So it'd be 10 minus 6 is 4, and it would be in the denominator. So reduce when you have coefficients. 4 goes in 8 2 times. Negative power means move it, so I'd have x to the 6th, x to the 7th in the bottom. When you multiply two things same base, you add. So it'd be 2x to the 13th in the denominator. So bring this one down, bring this one up. So it'd be x cubed, x to the 4th, and the top, y to the 10th, y to the 6th. So it'd be y to the 16th over x to the 7th. When you have a base to a power and you raise another power, you multiply. And the negative power means take the reciprocal. Well, I hope you remembered some of this. Part 1 is done, and we're almost done with page 1. Anyways, bye-bye.